I don't know what to read. There are so many books lying on the shelves. Mostly I have read them all. I have this big wish list of the books I want to read. My mom keeps buying them, but the list keeps growing, so there is no end at all. So I thought of sharing the top 5 books or series I eagerly want to read. If anyone watching this video has any of these books, then please lend it to me. I'll be more than happy to share my books with you. So before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then do like, share and subscribe. The first book which I want to read is a graphic novel called Ghosts by Rena Telgemeier. As some of you know, I adore her books. I have read some of her books like Smile, Sisters, Guts, Drama, and I have loved all of them. But I'm yet to read Ghosts. I'm really looking forward to reading it. Looking by the title, I assume it's gonna be a spooky read, and I totally love the genre horror. Next up is the Fablehaven series by Brandon Mull. I have been wanting this series for quite a few months, and I have seen great reviews about the series. I finally convinced my mom to buy it for me on the next special occasion. I think she's just waiting for the price to go down. Otherwise, she would have bought it for me already. Oh, and I also want the Dragonwatch series and the Beyond Us trilogy by the same author. Let me see which book I'll get my hands on first. The next book I desperately want to read was recently published and is written by my favorite author. The book is The Ichabod by J.K. Rowling. I have seen mixed reviews about this book, but since it is written by J.K. Rowling, I can't miss it. And I'm sure this book will be on my January TBR list. Fingers crossed. The second last book is El Defoe. The name of this book might sound a little bit weird, but the reviews are amazing. It is a graphic novel by C.C. Bell. It's about this girl who is half deaf and she has to wear these embarrassing hearing aids to make her hear better. And she's bullied, she's teased. This book sounds a lot like Wonder by R.J. Palacio, so I am sure I'll love it. The last but not the least is Invisible Emmy by Terry Lippenen. It is another graphic novel. All I know about this book is that this girl, Emmy, she feels like she's invisible. Nobody notices her, nobody cares about her, and she has no friends. So at the end, she overcomes her fears by making friends. The plot of this book sounds so interesting. I really want to read it. So these were some of the books I'll read as soon as I get them. I hope I get them very, very soon. Do let me know what is there in your wish list. Again, a gentle reminder to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And of course, ring the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, goodbye.